If you want to update to the latest version of Blender, it's important to know that there's no built-in update process. To update, you'll need to visit Blender's official website and download the latest version. You can easily access the download page by clicking the link in the About pop-up that appears when you open your current version of Blender. This will take you directly to Blender's website, where you can download the latest version. Once downloaded, simply install it. There's no need to uninstall your current version. Both versions can coexist on your system. When you first open a new version of Blender, you'll see an option to import your old preferences. However, if you skip this or start using Blender without doing this, that option won't appear again the next time you launch the app. Don't worry, you can still manually transfer your settings. On Windows, you'll find the configuration files in your home directory under App Data. The full path looks like this. On Linux, Blender's configuration files are typically stored in your home directory, which looks something like this. On Mac, Blender stores its configuration files in this directory. Inside the Blender folder, you'll see directories for each version. Just copy the configuration files from the older version into the folder for the newer version. It's a good idea to back up the destination folder just in case. There's a file called platformsupport.txt. So far, I haven't found a reason to replace or modify it during this process. Once you've copied everything over, open the new version of Blender. Your settings should now take effect. For example, in my case, I've customized the UI to make everything slightly larger and easier to read. After you've done, it's up to you if you want to uninstall the older version. I hope this guide helped you migrate to the newer version of Blender. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. If you're enjoying these videos and you would like to support the channel, then you can do so via my Ko-Fi page. That's at ko-fi.com/MJ3D Any donations will be used to help to expand the channel. I'd like to thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.